Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Binance to Pocket Option. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So, let's get started. First, open the Pocket Option app and sign in. I'm already logged in. Now, tap the top-up icon in the top right corner. Choose your payment method. Since we're transferring from Binance, select cryptocurrency. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. If you have a promo code, check the box and apply it. If not, just leave it unchecked. Tap Continue and Pay. You'll now see a summary of your payment details. Review everything carefully, then tap Continue and Pay again. Pocket Option will now show you a crypto wallet address. Copy this address and paste it into Binance to send the funds. Or just scan the QR code directly through your Binance app. Once the transaction is done, the money will be added to your Pocket Option account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.